This is how I prepare and set up when I want to go climbing. First, I'm going to make sure I have my climbing shoes. They fit nice and securely to my foot and ensure maximum movement when I'm on the wall. Next, I'm going to get my helmet. To put this on, I'm going to put it on my head, pull that down and twist up the wheel until it fits my head. Then I'm going to do the strap up at the front, make sure that's nice and tight but not too tight around my neck, and then give my head a shake to make sure that is staying nice and put. Next, we're going to choose a harness. We have a Brennan harness and an Alpine. They work slightly differently with how the straps are done up. Personally, I prefer a Brennan harness. It has these two leg loops just the same as the Alpine, but the strong loop on the front is different, and it means that it's easier to attach your belay device, and I just think it's a nicer and more comfortable way to belay someone up the wall. To fit my harness, I'm going to first step my right foot into the right loop, ensuring that the twisted bit of the leg loop is on the inside of my leg and my left into the tray. I'm going to pull that up over my hips and onto my waist. And I'm going to secure it in place by pulling through this strap. Then at the back, you want to make sure that this is nice and neat, so you can tie it in a bit of a bow. And make sure that that's not going to fall down. To test the waist loop, you put your hand through, you make a fist, and if you can't pull it through like that, then it is safe. If you can pull your fist through, you need to tighten it more. On the legs, you're going to pull diagonally down. Tie that same bow just to make sure that the strap doesn't pull through when you're climbing, although your leg loops may come undone, so you may want to tighten them up during your session. Okay, good, get that in nice and tighten. And there is my harness fitted nicely. On my strong loop, I'm going to make sure that this safety stitching is on the outside and showing so that I can see it when I'm belaying. When I'm climbing, I'm going to be using a steel carabiner. These are nice and strong, and they often don't get much wear on them, which is good. And this one is a screw off. It also flips back on its own. So you screw it off, you give it a body check to make sure it's not going to open, and yeah,